we're going to talk about inflammation and how it affects the body and some ways that you can reduce inflammation naturally. First, I want to define what inflammation is. Inflammation is a natural response that's produced by the body in order to protect us from infection and even injuries. When you get a cut, for example, the area around the cut will become inflamed as the body sends white blood cells to the area to fight off any bacteria that may have entered the wound. However, the problem arises when inflammation becomes chronic or repeated. This can be harmful to the body. Chronic inflammation is a contributing factor to many chronic diseases, such as heart disease, diabetes, and even cancer. So what are some signs of inflammation? Well, the most common signs of inflammation are redness, swelling, pain, warmth around the affected areas. If you have a fever, that can also be a sign of inflammation. There are many factors that can cause inflammation. Factors such as infections, injuries, and even autoimmune disorders. But did you know that stress can also play a role in inflammation? When we're stressed, our body releases stress hormones that can trigger an inflammatory response. So how do you reduce this now? Well, one way is through diet. Eating a diet that's rich in anti-inflammatory foods can help reduce inflammation in the body. Some examples of anti-inflammatory foods include things such as leafy greens, berries, nuts, and even fatty fish. These foods typically contain antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can help reduce inflammation in the body. In addition to eating an anti-inflammatory diet, it's important to get regular exercise, and manage stress can also help reduce inflammation. Exercise has been shown to decrease levels of anti-inflammatory markers in the body, while stress management techniques such as meditation, prayer, and deep breathing can help reduce stress hormones that trigger inflammation. So while inflammation is a necessary process in the body, chronic inflammation can actually be very harmful to you. By incorporating an anti-inflammatory diet, regular exercise, and stress management techniques into our daily routine, we can help reduce inflammation naturally and improve our overall health.